Annyeonghaseyo everyone. So this is now my uniforms. So here is the receipt. The one set of school uniform for 1,000 pesos. One corporate attire, one chef's uniform. So a total of 5,000 pesos from the Kikisi Tailoring, which is partnership of our school, which is the LLCC. So here is the chef's uniform together with its, I don't know what is this, but I think it's bandana for the head, right? Bakaldo. No, para sa head, no? Ikaw anda bakaldo sa imong head. Please. And then here is the apron. And for the pants, here. For the...
Is it like this?
Oh. Gator man, wala ni mo.
Or like this?
Kani siya is the hat. And here is my chef's uniform. So it has my family name here. So G for Gretcha. You're looking cute. Mura kag kindergarten. Mura tourism. And here is my corporate attire. Pants and its coat. Here. So this is pricey. It's because it has many. Oh, daghan kay bells, no? Duha din ni sila ka coat. Unsa ni siya? Pero asa ni siya? Bartending. Okay. Naposhay ka ng kuan lining sa tinahian ba? Sa mga sewer. Okay, so this is our uniforms. I also have mine here. So I already wore it. 감사합니다, Park Mansunim. 감사합니다.